Good evening, this is the WolfTimes. Tonight, a powerful message shakes Pakistan's highest court. Supreme Court Judge Justice Athar Minallah has sounded a stark warning to Chief Justice Yahya Afridi, declaring that silence in the face of threats to judicial independence means complicity. In a 7-page letter titled Moment of Reckoning, Justice Minallah has urged the Chief Justice to convene a judicial conference calling for all judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts to engage in open institutional dialogue. He warned that Judiciary stands at a perilous crossroads, where decades of submission to the powerful elite have undermined the very foundation of justice. Justice Minallah wrote that the unannounced war between self-serving power centers and the will of people has defined much of Pakistan's national tragedy. Recalling the judicial execution of former Prime Minister Zulfiqar Bhutto, Justice Minallah lamented that it took 40 years for the Supreme Court to admit its complicity, and yet no apology was ever offered to the people. He questioned whether the judiciary continues to enable oppression, pointing to the persecution of political leaders Benazir Bhutto, Asif Ali Zardari, Nawaz Sharif, Shehbaz Sharif, and Imran Khan, each of whom, he said, has faced denial of justice in their own time. He warned that the judiciary risked repeating history, asking whether Pakistan must again wait decades for acknowledgement of injustice being done today. Justice Minallah described how truth within the judiciary is whispered only in tea rooms and chambers, accusing the institution of being captured, serving as a guardian of elite rather than the constitution and the people. He called the transfer of judges to the Islamabad High Court a deliberate dismantling punishment, he said, for earning the people's trust. He also criticized the Supreme Court's silence over enforced disappearances, even when former Chief Justices admitted the problem had reached their own doors. Justice Minallah's message is clear. This is a moment of reckoning for the judiciary. He urged the Chief Justice to lead an honest national dialogue, reminding his peers that the judiciary's legitimacy lies in independence, not in loyalty to power. But the question remains, will Pakistan's judiciary finally stand with the people or continue to serve the powerful? You are listening to the WolfTimes News Desk. For more updated news and in-depth reports, keep following the WolfTimes, where truth never sleeps.